There po mga kabatak, ako na naman po si Pamelang Batanggenya, and today po I will show you po where can you find your Facebook page link. So for example, if you have Facebook, you have Facebook page like that, so hanapin po natin. First po, punta tayo ng Facebook, and then here po. So just tap here down right side. If you have a page like this, so for example po, Pam's Recipe, ito. Then, where is the link po ng page na ito? Very simple and very easy to search po mga kabatak. So here po, just press this 3 dots here, more, press more, and then swipe it up. Then here po mga kabatak, ito na po yung page, ayan po. If you want to copy the page, so just tap that and then okay na po. Ayan. So if you want to copy that to, for example, you want to send through messenger like that, o paste lang po natin, then send. So easy lang po mga kabatak. And sana po kita-kita po ulit tayo sa next tutorial. Marami pong salamat!